Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Jenny. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod na videos natin. So, for today's topic, pag-uusapan natin ikaw mismo. Paano ba pumasok sa relationship without losing yourself? Stay tuned! Na-experience mo na ba yung sa kanya lang umikot yung mundo mo kahit hindi naman siya solar system? O di kaya di makatulog, di makakain ng peg mo sa kaiisip sa kanya? Pues, don't worry. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Kidding aside, it should never be that way. You can still love someone without losing yourself. How? Let's find out. I will mention 5 tips on how you're gonna do it, and this was written by Ravid Yosef for utango.com. Tip number 1, have a regular date night with your friends. Well, in my case, I don't do date night or, night out with my friends, but a usual time with my pals would be lovely, like probably coffee, shopping, chika, whatever that you love to do with your friend. Married or not, it won't hurt the relationship kung lalabas ka with your friends and have some good time with your friends, diba? Second tip, pursue your passion project. Ano ba yung gustong-gusto mong gawin? Gusto mo bang mag-bake? Gusto mo bang maging chef? Gusto mo bang mag-take ng another course? Gusto mo bang maging sikat na ballerina? You can still do those things. Kahit gaano ka busy, you should always make sure to find time to pursue whatever passion you have. Huwag mong ubusin sa kanya or huwag mong ubusin sa relasyon yung oras mo. Third, take a weekend away without your significant other. Gusto ko to. Yeah, sure, why not, 'di ba? Kung kaya ng budget, umalis ka, go somewhere na ikaw lang mag-isa, magmuni-muni ka, gawin mo yung bagay na gusto mo without affecting the relationship. Huwag kang gagawa ng something that of course will affect the relationship. But, individually as an individual, just do things na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. But, if hindi kaya ng budget, example, 'di ba, may wife, you're married or something like that. A little space, like sa bahay, for example, you used to hang out sa sala. Once in a while, punta ka sa room, do something that you really like. Probably magbasa ka or makinig ka ng mga magagandang music, or you can also, do something that you like nang hindi mo siya kasama. Okay? Have a little space. Pang-apat, learn something new about yourself. Habang busy kayo sa pagtuklas ng mga new things together, mainam din sigurong tumutuklas ka din ng bago about yourself. Maybe after nyo manood ng action or thriller film, na-realize mo na, ay, maganda pala, nai-enjoy ko pala yung ganitong mga movie. O kaya, habang nagbabasa ka, habang you're taking a weekend away or a space away without your significant other, na-realize mo, ay, marunong pala ako magsulat. Maybe I can try to write something, to express my feelings, ganon. Then, lastly, sabi niya, get a hobby. So, hobby, mapaglilibangan, wag lang siya. Okay? If mahilig ka magtanim, mag-garden ka. If mahilig ka magbasa, magbasa ka. Kapag busy siya, instead na nakatanga ka lang dyan na taga-antay sa kanya, edi gawin mo yung gusto mo, 'di ba? Hindi sa kanya iikot ang mundo mo. Gets ko naman, syempre, pag super in love ka, halos lahat gusto natin araw-araw magkasama tayo, 'di ba? Yung tipong magkasama na, magka-text pa. Tapos paghatid mo sa jowa mo or kahit, pag sa bahay, magkasama na nga kayo, minu-minuto gusto mo kausap mo siya. Tandaan nyo, anything that sobra, nakakasama. But, anything naman na kulang ay masama din. So, dun lang muna tayo sa sapat. Once you lose yourself in a relationship kasi, it will be the start of a chaotic, not only relationship, but environment as well. Andyan yung kita mo lahat ng kilos at galaw niya kasi wala ka ng pinagkakaabalahang iba kundi siya. Of course, you can always do things together, but make sure that you also have your personal space, mag-asawa man o hindi. Magkaroon kayo ng breather once in a while, maganda yun because it will also add spice to the relationship. It will, make you miss each other more. Ika nga, di ba, absence makes the heart grow fonder. O, di ba? Tandaan nyo, wag nyong idepende sa partner mo yung happiness mo. Ang happiness mo, it should be from within. Okay? Within yourself. Never lose yourself in a relationship because before nagkaroon ng relationship, before you enter that relationship, remember na naging individual ka muna. Don't forget guys these 5 tips are just mentioned para maging guide nyo. Nasa sa inyo pa din yan if how are you gonna handle your relationship. Okay? So, paano? Hanggang dito na naman muna tayo. Sa susunod ulit, wag nyo sanang kalimutang mag-subscribe kung nagustuhan nyo yung topic natin and hit that notification bell para notified ka sa next na videos natin. If meron kayong mga suggestions, just comment down below and if meron kayong violent reactions dun sa mga pinagsasabi ko, please let me know. Also, I have a Facebook page and Instagram account that you can follow me on. If meron kayong mga gustong sabihin sa akin, you can also reach me there. So, for now, guys, I just would like to say thank you so much for listening again. And don't forget that you are beautiful and you are blessed. Bye!